Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in Science 7 which is all about the ocean currents. This will be the fourth quarter topic on learning competency number 11. This lesson is under the MATATAG curriculum. For the objectives, by the end of the lesson, 80% of the learners will be able to. First is to explain the role of the solar energy in driving processes that contribute to the formation of the ocean currents. The second one is to analyze how ocean currents influence regional and global climate and weather patterns. And the third one is to appreciate the complex and interconnected nature of the Earth's climate system with ocean currents by answering the reflection of learning. In activating the prior knowledge for the short review, the students will answer the following questions. In establishing purpose of the lesson, for unlocking of content vocabulary, the students will answer the match type activity. The following are the drivers of ocean currents. So the first one is the solar radiation. So uneven solar radiation hits the tropics more than the poles, generating temperature difference that drives the ocean currents. The second one is the wind patterns. So wind push the ocean surface, creating currents, and persistent winds like the trade winds influence large-scale ocean circulation. The third one is the salinity. So salinity differences influence density. Saltier water is denser and sinks, while less salty water rises, contributing to the vertical circulation. And the last one is the Earth's rotation. The Coriolis effect caused by the Earth's rotation deflects moving water to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. The following are the importance of ocean currents. So the first one is for the heat distribution. So ocean currents transport heat from the tropics to the higher latitudes, moderating temperatures in coastal regions. The second one is the nutrient distribution. So ocean currents carry nutrients from the deep ocean waters to surface waters, supporting marine ecosystems. And the third one is the climate regulation. So ocean currents play a crucial role in regulating global climate, influencing weather patterns and precipitation. The following are the major ocean currents and their characteristics. So the first one is the Gulf Stream. So this is a warm current that flows from the Gulf of Mexico northward along with the eastern coast of North America. The second one is the Kuroshio Current. So a warm current that flows northward along the eastern coast of Asia, similar to the Gulf Stream. And the third one is the California Current. So a cold current that flows southward along the western coast of the North America, bringing cold water from the north. And the last one is the Benguela Current. This is the cold current that flows northward along the western coast of Africa, bringing cold water from the south. The following are the warm currents and their impacts. So the first one is the warmer temperatures. So warm currents bring warmer temperatures to coast region, creating milder climates. The second one is increased precipitation. So warm currents can lead to increased evaporation, which contribute to higher precipitation levels. The third one is diverse marine life. So warm currents supports a wide variety of marine life contributing to biodiversity in coastal areas. And the last one is to enhance economic activity. So warm currents can influence fishing grounds, tourism, and coastal development. The following are the cold currents and their impacts. So the first one is cooler temperatures. So cold currents bring cooler temperatures to coastal regions, creating cooler climates. The second one is to reduce precipitation. So cold currents can lead to reduced evaporation, resulting in lower precipitation levels. The third one is nutrient upwelling. So cold currents can bring nutrient-rich water from the deep ocean to the surface, supporting the marine life. And the last one is the fog formation. So cold currents can create fog when warm, moist air passes over them, leading to fog-prone coastal areas. The following are the ocean currents and global climate regulation. So the first one is that ocean currents transport heat from the tropics to the higher latitude, moderating global temperatures. The second one is they influence weather patterns such as the formation of cyclones and the distribution of precipitation. The third one is that they play a crucial role in regulating climate variability such as El Niño Southern Oscillation or ENSO. For the work example, instruct the learners to use the illustration of the ocean currents to answer the questions below. In making of generalization for learners' takeaways, by using KWL chart using the graphic organizer, the students will answer the L column or what they have learned about the lesson. And for the reflection on learning, the students will answer the following questions.